Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 11. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those techniques. So to get started with yarn color number 1, you are going to chain 5. Then you're going to double crochet in the last chain from the hook and chain 1, and you'll repeat this 11 times, and then you will join with a slip stitch. So here we are, just joining with our slip stitch. Maybe. There we go. So for round 2, you are going to single crochet into that chain 1 space right in front, right there. Then you are going to chain 4. Then in the next chain 1 space, you are going to work a double crochet, and then you will chain 2, and you'll be working in the chain 1 space from the previous row the whole entire round. So the repeat is going to be double crocheting in the chain 1 space, then chaining 2. It's repeated 11 times, and then you will join with a slip stitch at the end. And here we are coming up on round 3. So round 3 has a little bit of technique to it, so I will show you how to do that. You're going to start off by chaining 3, and then the same stitch you're going to work a 2 double crochet cluster. So what that means is when you insert your hook in order to do your double crochet, you leave your last loop unworked. Then you will chain 3. So let's look at this for a 3 double crochet cluster. So you yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, and then you repeat that again. So now you got 3 loops on your hook. Repeat that one more time, and you have 4 loops, and then you pull through all 4 loops, and that's how you work a 3 double crochet cluster. Then you will chain 3. So the repeat for this round is going to be working a 3 double crochet cluster into the next stitch, followed by chaining 3. Then you will repeat that 11 times, and you will join with a slip stitch. Next, we are going to fasten off our work, and we are going to grab yarn color number 2. So we're going to join the second color of yarn where you joined with a slip stitch from the previous row. Then you are going to chain 1, and in the chain 3 space, you're going to work 4 single crochets. And that is actually going to be the repeat all the way around of working 4 single crochets in each of the chain 3 spaces. Once you've worked all of that, you will join with a slip stitch, and you will fasten off this color of yarn. So here we are, just joining with a slip stitch and fastening off. And now you want to grab yarn color number 3. So you're going to join where the third color of yarn was fastened off with a slip stitch. You're going to chain 1 and then work a single crochet in the same space. Then you are going to chain 3 and skip the next stitch. Then you'll work a single crochet in the next stitch and chain 3, then skip a stitch. And you'll repeat that all the way around. So here we are, just finishing off. And there you have it. That's how you do the Granny Square motif in number 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Granny Square video. Have a happy crochet day.